we were working with IIR filter, that's your Butterworth filter. Now we will be talking about Chebyshev filter. So basically here the same values of your RP, that's your passband. RS stands for stop band attenuation. So these are two variables which is your RP and RS representing. You have FP and FS, which stands for passband and stop band, and then you have the sampling frequency. So these values you would be entering in. Now once this has been done, I would go further with the equation. I can say WP, basically I want the sampled frequency values. So for that I have the equation WP is equal to 2 star FP slash F of S semicolon, and then WS is equal to 2 star FS by sampling frequency. So that's what FS, yeah. So the sampling frequency we would be entering in. Once this has been done, I'll be calculating the order and cutoff as we had done it for your Chebyshev filter, your Butterworth filter. The same would be followed for the Chebyshev also. So I'll be passing two variables. Here I'll be assuming it as N comma Wn, okay, and observe the command here, CHEB, okay, 1 D, okay, and then type WP comma WS comma RP comma RS, okay, semicolon. After this we will be actually designing something called as the Chebyshev design filter, or where I can pass the variables of my poles and zeros. So I can represent as Z comma P is equal to, I can say CHEP by, close that, and then you can say N comma R P comma Wn. So that's all the two variables which you have passed in. Press enter, and once these values are being entered in, you should be able to design the Chebyshev filter with the, where you can mention the poles and the corresponding parameter. Once this has been done, what we can do here is can go further here and say DISP disp. You want the order of the filter, where you can say ORDR, order of SHEV Chebyshev filter, okay, and double dot and a space there, and you can say semicolon and display N, that's a capital N, okay. And what we have in here is, again I can say DISP and then say single quote and then say CHEBY SHEV Chebyshev window cutoff frequency, okay, cutoff frequency double dot space, okay. And what do you have to display? DISP WN, okay, WN, right. So observe the variable how we have defined, right, N, right. So be careful when you are defining the variable. Rest of the things would work fine. FRE Q Z, and you say what, Z comma P, and give a title to it, title to the graph. Title, what is the title of it? You can say HEPY SHEV Chebyshev frequency response. Chebyshev frequency response. Let's see. Thing goes out. I have one. I think I've done one error. So say exp says 13. Okay. Oh, great. So it's asking me the frequency, the sampling frequency. What we had given was 1, right? So the response values, what we can 1, then stop attenuation we have 15, and then 1500 passband, and then you can go and give your own values 2000, but this is according to the theory which we had discussed in, so it has to give okay, correct. As I mentioned in, we have an error. Okay, so let's go back to the program. So here I think the problem is, so let me rectify that. Again, let me just come and run the program. 1, enter 15, then we had 1500, we had 2000, and final value was okay. So think here, just try it. 150,000 for 500, and then 2000 and 8000. Yes, so that's what we're able to design a Chebyshev filter, Chebyshev IIR and Butterworth IIR. So this is how we design filters as per the specification. So you can see the order of Chebyshev filter is 4 and the window cutoff frequency is 0.3750. Okay, gotcha.